This pink and black came out amazing. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for tuning in. Today we're going to be working on these straps. I already had cut the straps out. They're all jointed. I made that 50-inch long strap like you guys saw in the last video. But now it's time to bring them together, join the two sides together, stitch it, and then start painting it and getting it ready for attaching to the bag. I always like to do the straps first because it's the most time-consuming, a lot of stitching, very laborious task. So I like to do that first, get it done first, that way I don't have to worry about it at the end. So here I got the two strips, right? These are going to be end up being jointed together, right? As you can see, the strips are not very straight, and you know, they got little kinks in them, especially from where I joined these two pieces together, right? So I got this micron reinforcement here again. I cut a straight edge on it. I'm gonna glue this. I'm gonna put some contact cement on it. Contact cement on here. We're gonna line it up so it's nice and straight. Once that's nice and straight, I'll trim that off, and then I'll go ahead and glue this. Alright, so I went ahead, glued the reinforcement to the back of the first strip, and then glued that strip to the reinforcement and the other strip. So now we got this entire strap glued together. It looks really bad still, but now it's time to trim it down and make it look nice and pretty. Still pretty jagged, especially right in this area here is where the joints were. But it's time to trim it up, and then it'll look nice and beautiful. Alright guys, so I just cut the strap down to the correct size. About 3/4 of an inch is the width of this strap. And guys, let me tell you, this thing looks really, really good. We got the strap. And again, I'm still going to touch up some spots with the dye. Like you can see where is it? A little spot right there. It's a little white. I'm going to touch that up. Also come back and buff this up some more. Put some more paste wax on here just to get it nice and shiny. But man, this thing looks really, really good now. I was thinking a little bit, and originally the strap that I cut was about 3/4 of an inch thick. I think it's just a little bit too thick for the proportion of this bag. Usually I do a chain on this bag, but the customer requested a leather strap, so I'm thinking about cutting it down to maybe about 1/2 inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Once I get that done, I'm gonna go ahead and start touching up those little spots that we had talked about previously. Just making sure that everything looks uniform. Some spots didn't get this full coverage of the stain. And then once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and crease it, start punching all these holes. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Join me next time as I actually begin to assemble the bag. Going to put the reinforcements in the bag, going to start putting in the hardware, start working on the interior lining. Guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!